I'm going to recite a poem. The title of my poem is The Song of the Engine. Let's start. When you travel on the railway and the lines go up the hill, just listen to the engine as it pulls you with a will. It goes very slowly, it sings a little song. I think I can, and so it speeds along. But later on a journey, when you are going down a hill, the train requires no pulling and the engine singing still. Though it goes very slowly, it sings a little song. I thought I could, and so it speeds along. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.